Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be analyzing the price action for Euro USD currency pairs for the coming week. We'll start the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for all the time frame analysis. Please use these values as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I have drawn the previous resistance line over here, and here you can notice that it has taken support on this resistance line. Now it has become into a support line, and here when we notice the current price action, the price action has fallen and currently it is taking support on this present support line. So previously it was acting as a resistance line. Currently it is acting as a support line for the current price action. I have taken the lows of the all price action and formed into a channel pattern. So when we look at the price action within this channel pattern, whenever the price action tests this support line or whenever it crosses this channel pattern, the price had bounced back on the bullish side. And currently when we notice the price action, it is taking support on this resistance line or the support line and also entering into this support area. Let us wait and see if the price action breaches this support area or not. If the price action breaches this support area, next level of support is going to be around 1.06283. As long as the price action doesn't breach this support zone, we can expect the bullish trend reversal to happen in this currency pair. When we closely analyze the current price action, the price action had taken support on this trend line from the daily time frame, and then every time when it tested this trend line, it had bounced back and went up to the resistance level of 1.14 and then retraced back. When it retraced on the second time, you can notice that it has retraced much further than the previous low, and again it went on the same high level and retested on the resistance level of 1.14, and next time also it has retraced much lower than the previous low. So from this price action we understand that currently the price action is slowly moving to the bearish trend, but still it is retracing 100% to the previous high. So as long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the price to bounce back on the bullish side. Once this trend line or the support line is breached, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair. So this trend line or the support line plays a vital role in deciding whether the bearish trend reversal is going to happen or a bounce back on the bullish side is going to happen or not. But overall, when we notice the price action, the body of the candle has closed above this support level. So still the price action is trading in a range bound market. Only when the price action breaches this trend line or the support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side trend. So still the current price action in daily time frame is moving on a range bound market and on a sideways. All these spikes have happened due to the war tension in Ukraine and Russia. Once the situation is under control, we can expect a directional market in this currency pair also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and from the higher time frame we understand that this level is acting as a very strong resistance levels, and these levels are acting as a very strong support level. Previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend. I have drawn the resistance line over here. Every time it went on a bullish trend, took resistance on this resistance line and took support on the bottommost support level, which was around 1.11033, and it is on a bullish trend reversal. So we know from the past price action, this trend line had acted as a very strong resistance. So the price action has to break this resistance line in order to continue its bullish trend. Otherwise we can expect the price to go and test this resistance line and then to bounce back on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, and we can expect it to retrace up to the level of 1.12943, which is exactly 50% retracement. Only if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1.13. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, but overall the price action in hourly time frame also, it is a range bound market and it is moving on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn one more support line or the trend line in 30 minutes time frame, and we have the previous resistance line from the hourly time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on this trend line and it is on a bullish trend. This line is going to be acting as a first level of resistance. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to trend more on the bullish side, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1.13848. Since we know from the higher time frame that the current price action is in a range bound market, once the price action tests this resistance line, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair. Let us mark the Fibonacci's support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is still moving on a bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame also, the price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern, taking support on the bullish channel pattern support line and moving within a range on a bullish trend. As long as this support line is not breached, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. Even when the support line is broken, we can expect it to take support on the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line, then to bounce back on the bullish side. Usually in lower time frame like 5 minutes time frame, we can expect a multiple trends, and we should always consider the higher time frame trends when you are entering into the trades. If the higher time frame is on a bullish side, always go on a retracement. When the price action takes support on this support line, you go on a bullish side when it bounce backs on the bullish trend. Let us mark the Fibonacci's support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and these ranges are only for reference levels. Please analyze the trend and the resistance level before entering on your trades. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.